All right, here's my market recap for December 1st of 2023. And here's our view. Here's our higher time frame view. What's going on? Let's see, where do we open this morning? Yep, opened
Absorption
right here.
AST3 CME sellers at 4,601.25.
We have a nice trending day here. Nice continuation day. We had some economic events that went on. We had the PMI. We had Fed Chair Powell. He spoke. Let's refresh this. I don't know exactly what he talked about today, but he spoke 2 different times. And yeah, it was right around 7 and 8. So all that stuff happened earlier, except for the thing at 11. Higher time frame. Well, we've been on a pretty good run here for how long? For pretty much November. It's a pretty large run. Went up a few hundred points. We're actually not all that it's only 218 points, because the all-time high for the S&P was 4818. So we're only 218 points away, so maybe things are shaping up. There's a lot of geopolitical events making things unstable, but that's above my pay grade. I'm just trying to look at some charts. But anyway, what can we get from looking at this? And there's an area that could be, and that's basically going to be a high volume node. Let me see if I can bring up my thing on here. Here's one. I don't think I can. Yeah, I can't go back far enough. Oh well. Can't go back far enough on that one. Anyway, we get the idea, the whole month's just been in an uptrend. It's like maybe could that be showing price going down? I don't know. Anyway, let's just look at where do we have some flag patterns today. Let's look where we started out at. So this was the move up. Do my setups checklist. So we've got
Absorption EST3 CME buyers at 4,600.75.
got this move here. Got trap traders. You've got that's not much of a pullback at all, and then a very sharp move up. Let's see, I'm kind of looking at the way this progressed so far. Is it, you had that move at the open. You had a pretty steep pullback. This came up and I know that's a pretty steep pullback with a lot of volume. I wouldn't give that a good rating. So where do I think best setup might have been so far for the day? This one at the open
Absorption
wasn't bad.
EST3 CME sellers at 46.01.
And you did have this move here. Sharp, pretty consistent volume, not much of a pullback. Then this goes up pretty sharply. About 10 points. How much was this? 65 to 63 to
Absorption
okay,
EST3
that's about
CME
9
sellers at
points. So
46.02.
it's getting annoying, that voice alert in the background. But anyway,
Absorption EST3 CME sellers at 46.02.
see what that thing is talking about. See, look at this. This is just, I don't want to mess with any of that. See, this is just turned into a bunch of chop here. Yeah, see, just chopping around. But somewhere within this, want to see what, what set this whole thing off. Got multiple opportunities to get in there. Let me see, where was I in here at?
Absorption EST3 CME buyers at 4,601.75.
Well, this doesn't seem to have my, where I had my
Absorption
orders earlier. I
EST3
forgot where it
CME
was.
sellers at 4,602.5.
You see, I did a few micros
EST3
here.
CME sellers
About
at
26.
4,602.75.
God, that thing is annoying. I want to shut that thing up. Yeah, that thing is annoying when I'm trying to do a video. So, I mean, we can see this volume start to come up. But where's our trapped traders? I don't particularly see a point where they're trapped. A lot of this is occurring in areas where it's difficult to identify where do you have any trapped traders. Yeah, I'm having trouble identifying where do I have trapped traders at. I suppose right here you'd have trapped traders, but then I don't see any consistent move down, so it's not telling me much. It's chopping around a lot. It's 12:36 now, so yeah, this is a God, this is pretty tough to read some of this. I mean, here you have a consolidation right here. Large steep move with some strong volume. Then you have a, well, you have some pullback there. It's a little bit strong though. And then it's another bigger move going up, but you have this also. So I don't see any ideal move in here. Oh well, maybe here. And because you're seeing, you know, here's a sharp move up, that's consistent volume. And then you come down here, holding above the retail price. And you have here, and it is holding above this VPOC, and then you get a solid move up for a while, but there's a lot of back and forth. Makes it difficult to read. So I don't know if I would say this one here, because look at you have the sharp consistent volume. You have a minor pullback move, low volume. Then you have this move up, large steep move. Then right here, you get trapped traders. Oh wow, I'm having a hard time trying to. I mean, I see that as a good entry. We see support right here. You start to have more volume coming in. You know, this liquidity pulls. Some of it get filled. Not really. It's the same type of deal where some of it got filled, but man, this is. That's a good entry point to go long. That could also be an entry point to go long. That would be more of the initial balance continuation, but you have the sharp move up, little pullback, and another move. And you could say, you know, you have support above this high volume node on both of these. You still have a nice continuation going up here. Till you start to have some of this liquidity fill. Then we go into the sideways portion. And that's where we are now. It's just, this is, can't do very much with this. It's trapped within a few points range. Could be, possibly be because of the news and it's Friday. Some of the stuff that happened at 8, there was news events then. That's when Jerome Powell went on to speak. So just, I mean, I didn't get in here because of the news events going on. If you have some major news event like Jerome Powell coming on, this stuff started moving like crazy. It just too volatile. It's just too much risk with that kind of volatility. You could immediately get stopped out. It's just bouncing around all over the place. And we have a lot of news-driven activity going on today. This might have been the ideal move because, oh no, I guess at 7 you had news events also. Just makes it very difficult because, in general, I don't want to have any orders in play at the time that there's important news events going on. Because you can just get such wild swings, it's out of control. You can just instantly get stopped out and have no idea that it was coming. If we're looking at it with no news events, I'd be like, well, here we've got some support. We've got liquidity way up here. So I might be looking, enter somewhere within right here. And be looking to, maybe take some off, possibly here and here, and have my end target be somewhere up here, 95 or maybe 600. I think we did get to 600, got above 600, yeah. This could have been another entry point right here. It's holding above this, somewhere here. Because this is holding this sell volume. It's not able to push the price lower, and you're holding above this high volume node, and we keep pushing higher. And this, look at what a mess this is. What are we going to do with that?